Now today we are going to discuss MMP. MMP paper first of SYBSC, first chapter complex numbers. इथून आपण स्टार्ट करतोय. सगळ्यांनी सब्जेक्ट व्यवस्थित बघून घ्या. मॅथमॅटिकल मेथड्स इन फिजिक्स, पेपर फिजिक्स 1. सगळ्यात आधी आपण इंट्रोडक्शन टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर पाहणार आहे. इंट्रोडक्शन मध्ये जर कन्सिडर केलं की एक इक्वेशन आहे ax² प्लस bx प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0 with a is not equal to 0 and a, b, c are constants, right? Then root of this equation will be x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. तर हे जे काय आहे हे स्टार कन्सिडर करू. ते इक्वेशन जे काय आहे त्याचं रूट आहे आणि याच्यामध्ये जी टर्म आहे b square 4ac, this is known as discriminant. ठीक है, this part is known as discriminant which is given in the equation. Now we can consider another equation like 4x² minus 20z plus 15 20x plus 15 is equal to 0. Then we can consider d is equal to b square minus 4ac. तर कन्सिडर करताना b ची व्हॅल्यू -20, 4 times a means this 4 and c means 15. हे जर कॅल्क्युलेट केलं तर आपल्याला त्याची व्हॅल्यू मिळते 160. तर ही व्हॅल्यू पॉझिटिव्ह आहे आणि the root of equation can be calculated as the same using this equation, this form. Then we will have x is equal to minus b means minus b means it's a 20 because here the value of b is 20, right? Minus 20, so minus minus becomes plus, so 20 plus or minus square root of this term its value आलेली 160, so it will be square root of 160 upon 8 means 4 into twice a means 4 into 2, so here will be 8. ही जर अजून कन्वर्ट केलं तर आपल्याला x is equal to मिळतं 5 plus or minus square root of 10 upon 2. जेव्हा आपण हे डिवाइड करतो तेव्हा x ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला या पद्धतीने मिळते. म्हणून आपण कन्सिडर करतो की हे जे क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन आहे या क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनचे रूट आपल्याला मिळतात x is equal to 5 plus square root of 10 upon 2 and x is equal to 5 minus square root of 10 upon 2. हे दोन रूट मिळतात. ही जी रूट आहे ती रियल आहेत. these roots are real and irrational numbers. ओके, तर इथून जे काय आपण स्टार्ट करतोय ते इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ these कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स. तर अजून एक पहा, आपण एक दुसरं एक्झाम्पल पाहू. सपोज आपल्याकडे क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन आहे 4x² minus 20x plus 27 is equal to 0. तर या केसमध्ये d ची व्हॅल्यू d is equal to means what, आपण d पाहिलेला आहे तो कशा पद्धतीने, तर b² minus 4ac is equal to, it becomes b ची व्हॅल्यू किती तिथं 20, so b minus 20, so b² means it will be 400, then minus 4ac, हे पूर्ण कॅल्क्युलेट केलं तर आपल्याला याची व्हॅल्यू मिळते -32. ह्या होल इक्वेशनची व्हॅल्यू -32 मिळते. So we can write the root of equation as x is equal to 5 plus or minus square root of -2 upon 2. Means what? जेव्हा तुम्ही x लिहाल, x लिहिताना, रूट लिहिताना, root of this quadratic equation will be 20 plus or minus square root of -32 upon 2a means 8, आणि हेच इक्वेशन कन्वर्ट होतं 5 plus or minus square root of 2 upon 2. ठीक है? So we will have two roots, x is equal to 5 plus square root of 2 upon 2 and x is equal to 5 minus square root of 2 upon 2. So these are two equations, and these roots are neither rational or neither irrational numbers, because there is no meaning for the square root of negative integer. Okay, so this is negative, this is negative, this is negative. So we know that the square of positive or negative number is always positive. So we cannot find the usual method in algebra. So the discriminant is negative. So this part is negative. So that's why we introduce a new kind of number called as imaginary number. So this imaginary number is given as this small I is equal to square root of -1, or जर आपण याचा स्क्वेअर केला तर I² is equal to -1. तर हा इमॅजिनरी नंबर आपण इंट्रोड्यूस करतो, आणि त्यानुसार आपण ह्या इक्वेशनची रूट्स लिहू शकतो. म्हणून रूट्स कशा पद्धतीने लिहिता येतील, x is equal to square root of means x is equal to 5 plus square root of I² 2 upon 2 and x is equal to 5 minus square root of I² 2 upon 2. हा जो स्क्वेअर आहे तो आपण आउटसाइड घेऊ शकतो. Therefore x is equal to 5 plus I times square root of 2 by 2 and x is equal to 5 minus I square root of 2 upon 2. तर ही जी दोन इक्वेशन्स आहेत ही रूट आहेत या क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनचे. त्याच पद्धतीनं the real numbers which gives the root of this quadratic equation as a complex number. So here this part is real part and this I times square root of 2 is a imaginary part. Okay. Now यानंतर आपण सेकंडली डेफिनेशन पाहू. डेफिनेशन ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर. सो हा क्वेश्चन एक्झाम मध्ये विचारला जातो definition of complex number. So we can consider a z which is given by z is equal to x plus iy, and in this equation x is real number and y is also a real number, and the value of I is equal to square root of minus 1. Right. So in this equation, this x is called a real part and this y is called imaginary part. Imaginary part. So we can consider the real part of z is equal to x and imaginary part of z is equal to y. So consider one equation which is given by x, z is equal to 5 minus 7i. In this kind of equation we can write that real part of z is equal to 5 and the imaginary part of z is equal to minus 7. So this minus 7 is given here and this 5 is given here because this is x and this is y. So real part of z is equal to 5 and the imaginary part of z is equal to minus 7. So next, this is the first point, this definition of complex numbers, and now we are going to see the second point, which is known as the modulus of complex number. The modulus of complex number. So we know that we can write a complex conjugate of this equation, like if we have z as x is equal to z as x plus iy, then the complex conjugate can be written as z bar is equal to x minus I times y. So the modulus can be calculated as dot product. So z times z bar is equal to x plus iy into x minus iy. So this equation becomes x square plus y square, and this product, that is z into z bar, is always positive, because this is always positive and this can be regarded as the mod of z square. So this mod of z square is equal to x square plus y square, because this can be written as this mod of z square plus is equal to x square plus y square. And if this is the form, then the quantity mod of z is equal to square root of x square plus y square. म्हणजेच काय, हे जे z स्क्वेअर आहे त्याला आपण इथं स्क्वेअर रूट मध्ये घेतो, म्हणजेच आपल्याला मॉड z मिळतो आणि मॉड z ची व्हॅल्यू स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ x स्क्वेअर प्लस y स्क्वेअर. So this modulus of a complex number, is known as the absolute value. So this is known as modulus of complex number. And Now, for example, we can consider z is equal to 3 minus 2 times I. So, what is mod of z? So, we will have square root of x square, means this is x. So, we can write 3 square plus y square. So, y means this minus 2, y, right? So, minus 2 square is equal to. So, we will have the answer 9 plus 4, and this is equal to square root of 30, right? So this part means the modulus of complex number can be asked for the examination. High question येऊ शकतो किंवा high question येऊ शकतो. Definition of complex number, so you have to write this kind of structure, or modulus of complex number, so you have to write this kind of structure, right? So next point we can discuss in the next lecture.